Vande Mataram children. Today in chapter 16, we are going to continue with the rainwater harvesting. Then, as individual or as a student, what role you can play to conserve water. And finally, we are going to deal with effect of scarcity of water on plants. So let's continue. Yes children, so starting with the rainwater harvesting. What do you mean by rainwater harvesting? The rainwater that falls on the earth is generally allowed to flow away. However, it can be saved and used to replenish the groundwater levels of the earth. This process of preventing rainwater from flowing away and storing it for different purposes such as replenishing groundwater levels, household cause or industrial purpose is called rainwater harvesting. Children, here in this figure you can see there is a tank at the roof of the house where rainwater is stored, and further than with the pipes it's connected to different areas like your gardening. Water collected in this vessel can be used for gardening purpose. Then here can be used for car wash. Then here again for gardening, and from here this tank water can go down for infiltration, means for recharging the groundwater. So this is how the rainwater can be harvested, can be used for different purposes. Next topic, that is what role you can play as a citizen and as a children to save our water. So children, here in this picture I would like to say some of the ways how you can save water. The first one, that is, shows if there is a leakage in pipe, you have to repair it at the earliest so that there is no wastage of water. Second shows that for watering plants you should not use a pipe. You can use the buckets or the tumbler for watering it instead of connecting water pipes. Third picture shows that instead of wasting water for washing vegetables and fruits in more proportion, you can save water during that purpose also. Stop taking shower bath. If you are using shower bath, you should off the tap when it's not in use. Next picture shows that please off the running tap or loose connected tap where there is wastage of water. And the last one, many of you waste more water while brushing your teeth. You keep tap running and water is wasted. So during brushing your teeth, kindly off your tap. So these are the ways how children you can save water as a individual level and as a citizen. Next children, that is water wise habits, means the habit that you should adopt for conserving water, that is turn off taps when not in use. That is the main thing. And the last topic for this chapter is effects of water scarcity on plants. Yes children, even plants suffer if there is scarcity of water. Let's see the first point. You must have seen potted plants wilting and ultimately drying up if they did not get water even for a few days. Wilting matlab murja jana, and then starts drying off, and then that particular plant die if you do not give water to it. Plants need water to get nutrients from the soil to prepare their food. So just imagine the consequences if water is not available to plants. The effects of water scarcity on plants are stunted growth, मतलब अगर पानी नहीं मिलेगा प्लांट्स को तो वो उसका ग्रोथ अच्छे से नहीं होगा. डिक्रीज्ड फूड प्रोडक्शन, फूड प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकता. चिल्ड्रन, यू नो वेरी वेल photosynthesis process, and if there is no water, then plant cannot make its food by the process of photosynthesis. And the last result, that will be famine. You have to face drought like condition. There won't be any food available to any living creature without plants, no oxygen, no rain, and many problems. So at last I would like to say, हमारा जल ही हमारा जीवन है. Thank you children.